So in today's video, we will make a bee. So these are the things that we need to use. So first you need to use this one. And then get one of this yellow. You will. So it depends. Badensa. Nabibideo ako.
Again and again and again. Okay guys, welcome to my vlog. Today's video we are going to make a honeybee. Do you want to see how to make a bee? First step, you are going to get a pencil, and then you are going to get up one piece of clean pipe. What is that?
Pipe cleaner.
Pipe cleaner. Any color you want, as long as you wish for. Charot. And then you are going to roll it in the pencil and like this. And ta-dang! That is the final product. After that, I'm going to get a blue pipe cleaner. And I will going to roll it again, but I will going to put it all together so that it is long. And now we can roll it in this one side. And just keep going. As you can see, I am keeping rolling it. And then, if you are done with the other side, do the same thing on the other side. And make sure that you roll it very, very well. Like that. And as you can see, we have the wings. And now we are going to do the next one. Same procedure for our wings. Just roll and roll and roll and roll and roll. And do the next on the other side. Roll and roll and roll and roll. Until you have these kind of wing. Ta-da! So we have two wings. And then we are going to put them all together. And you're just going to stick them stick them together, tie them up, and ta-dang! And we are going to put it as one now. And we are going to use Miss?
So I'm using uhu. So if you don't have like this, guys, you just need to, you will need to put, you need to tie it up, yeah. But to make it easier, you can use oho or a super glue, whatever makes it tight together, or yeah. Okay. So since we have this, we need put a what is that? What do you call that one? Okay. Just like this. Okay, guys? I'll just flip it here and then flip like this, flip like this. So that's it. Okay. Yada! So we already have a we need to do the eyes. Okay, just a piece of like this, a yellow one, and then roll it again. But then after like this, I'm gonna use again a uhu and stick it here. See? Okay. So I have also a googly eyes. So I will put it here. Why is it like this? I will just stick it here. And another one. We have 2 eyes. So that's it, guys. We have a little bee. Yeah. Wait, sorry for the mess. So hi, guys. So you can also try different colors in your bee. Wait. Sorry. Yeah, I have this. So I always put like this to make. Yeah. Yeah. Bye, guys. Thank you.